Imagine the global markets as a high-stakes roller coaster. And recently, the pound to euro exchange rate just took an unexpected dive. Just days ago, a glimmer of hope sparked optimism, sending the pound soaring. But then, an astonishing turn of events sent everything crashing back down. What just happened? And why did a US court decision rock currency markets worldwide? It all started when the US Court of International Trade, CIT, delivered a massive blow to President Donald Trump's Liberation Day tariffs. They ruled he'd overstepped his authority, imposing tariffs that didn't meet the legal extraordinary threat needed. This was huge. Investors breathed a sigh of relief, thinking the economic damage from these trade wars might be minimized. Optimism surged, boosting the dollar and sending the pound against the euro to a fresh multi-week high of 1.1965. But that relief was incredibly short-lived. Just hours later, the drama exploded. The US Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit swooped in, granting an emergency appeal from the Trump administration. Their argument, halting these tariffs, was critical for the country's national security. And just like that, the tariffs were temporarily reinstated. As Ulrich Leuchtmann, head of FX and commodity research at Commerzbank, put it, there was a brief glimmer of hope that US courts might overturn the US government's tariff policy. The resulting recovery of the US dollar was short-lived. After an appeals court blocked a corresponding injunction, the dollar took a significant hit. This legal U-turn immediately injected fresh trade anxieties into the markets. And when trade tensions rise, the euro often becomes the preferred safe haven, outperforming most other major currencies, including our very own pound sterling. The numbers tell the story. The EUR/USD surged from a low of 1.1210 to close at 1.1365, dragging the EUR/GBP higher to 0.8431. This directly translated to our pound-euro exchange rate, GBP/EUR, tumbling back down to close at 1.1861, a stark contrast to its brief high of 1.1965 just a day before. This unexpected reversal is a clear setback for the GBP/EUR's steady upward trend, which many, including us, thought was on track to hit 1.20 very soon. But as experienced traders know, the foreign exchange market is famously a random walk, meaning it's inherently unpredictable, and steady rises are always likely to face challenges. So, what's the outlook now? Analysts are eyeing a period of consolidation. We're likely to see the pound-euro trading within a tighter range, specifically between the 50-day moving average at 1.1842 and the 9-day moving average at 1.1885. This ongoing legal battle could mean continued volatility. The world of FX is never dull, and this tariff twist is just the latest reminder of how quickly things can change. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.